Happy Holidays! Great American Audio presents pre-recorded holiday messages for your telephone answering machine. There are 8 messages on this side, plus sound effects on side 2 for creating holiday and seasonal messages of your own. Using any standard cassette player, listen to the messages first, then choose one. Place your answering machine microphone 3 to 4 inches away from the cassette player's speaker and set the volume at medium. Immediately after you hear the cueing chime, activate your answering machine to record. Stop it when the announcement is over. The beep signal will then follow.
Happy holidays, honey.
Happy holidays, dear.
What's your New Year's resolution, honey?
I resolve to always leave my name and number at the sound of the beep.
And?
And to track down and dismember anyone who doesn't.
You always were the practical one.
Mm-hmm. Don't answer it. Put the machine on.
I've got to answer it.
It's Valentine's Day and I'm ready. Put the machine on.
Hi, we can't come to the phone right now, but if you leave your name and number and message at the sound of the beep, we'll call you right back.
And lo, it came to pass that on the 3rd day, Easter Sunday, the rock was rolled from the cave, and he did walk in search of brightly colored hard-boiled eggs and chocolate bunnies. And the people did rejoice, leaving their name and number at the sound of the beep, and those who did not did feel the wrath of the Lord.
Hello, this is Martha Washington wishing you a happy 4th of July. George, would you please stop flossing for a moment?
Okie dokie.
Idiot. If this is Betsy Ross, love the stripes, hate the stars. If this is Aaron Bird, nice shot. Everybody else, leave a message at the beep. Okay, George?
Okie dokie.
Dos Vidonia and happy Labor Day, you lazy imperialist swine. Here in Siberia, every day is Labor Day.
Leave a message at the beep.
All right, party's over. Go change the tires on the ox cart.
Hello, happy Halloween. Your call is being answered by the Norman Bates answering service.
Norman, it's time for your shower.
Yes, Mother. It's simple. Just leave your name and number at the sound of the beep.
Norman!
Coming, Mother. If you don't leave a message, the party you're trying to reach will never know you called. But I will. Mother and I don't like people who don't leave messages.
Well, it's Thanksgiving Day here, and we're getting ready for a Thanksgiving Day feast. Right, Bill Bob?
Yep.
Right, Jim Bob?
Yep.
Right, Bob Moran?
That's right.
So you just have to leave your message at the sound of the geek. Jeb, bite the head off that turkey.
Christmas comes but once a year. That is why we're not here. We've gone shopping for a gift or two. But don't get excited. It's not for you. Leave a message.
The following sound effects will enable you to create holiday messages of your own. Each sound effect is approximately 20 seconds in length and should be used simultaneously with your own messages as background or introduction.